A day of filming turned into tragedy at Odisha's Duduma Waterfall. 22-year-old YouTuber Sagar Tudu, also known as Sagar Kundu from Berhampur, was swept away by strong currents on August 23. He was shooting drone footage for his channel, which showcased local culture. Authorities at the nearby Machakunda Dam had released nearly 2,000 cusecs of water due to heavy rains. Sagar, standing on a rock, was caught off guard by the sudden surge. Tourists and friends tried to save him with ropes, but the powerful torrent dragged him away. Police, fire services and ODRAF teams launched search operations, but the body has not yet been found. The incident has sparked debate over the dangers of real culture and unsafe stunts at tourist spots. Locals are now demanding stricter safety measures and barricades at Duduma Falls, especially during monsoon releases. This is the second tragedy at the site in recent months.